Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Poolexa 10-inch large LED Multicolor Inground pool light 12-volt 50-foot cord. The brightest color LED pool light on the market. LED technology provides longer life and up to 86% less energy than 500W comparable incandescent lights. Superior lens geometry and reflector design combine to create a wider beam and more uniform light distribution. Solid-state technology with no internal filament. The light is universal, can be directly mounted in a wet niche. Easy to control the pool light by a smart device. Features: manual or Bluetooth control, 12-volt with integrated transformer, solid and sealed light system, outdoor control box. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.